Hello, so in today's video, we are going to be making over this very small room, which is Alex's office. The roof actually eats into a little bit of the room, so it is a very funny shape, and it's quite hard to add any interior design into a room with a sloped ceiling. So we've decided to try and give this room make a makeover, make it a little bit more special, because it is a very strange shaped room. So we've decided to start with shiplap panelling all the way around the room, and Alex wanted it green, so we decided to go for green 02 from Lick. But yeah, we started just with the pre-made panels from Cut My Plastics, and we're just installing it now. I've actually got a whole video on how we did this wall over on my channel if you're interested in that, but this video is just focusing on mainly making over the whole space. So if you're interested, then keep watching because it is looking so good compared to what it looked like at the beginning. Okay, excuse the mess in here. I'm really sorry. I feel like I haven't been updating or filming anything I've been doing. It's because we've been doing this in stages, and we've been having trouble with the walls because the walls aren't straight. So we've been cutting a straight line, and then we tried to not cut a straight line and it's just kind of not working. So what we're doing down here is we're now cutting in getting little infills, because yeah, this line is so not straight. So by here it's 35 centimeters, and then by here it's 39 centimeters, so it's just not straight. So we're trying to basically patch in some bad work. So I'm doing that now, and I think I don't know if I told you in the last one, but Alex messed up the order, and these are a lot thinner than these. So instead of and as well it counted in for the dado, so they're not the right height. So what I'm going to do is flip them around, and I'm going to measure this and create my own so that they're the right height. And then around the window then we've got a bit of spare dado, so I'm going to be going, so I had to cut this piece, quite difficult. It was I had to do up there, that one. Then over here I had to do an internal corner, a mitered 45-degree angle, and I had to take a big chunk out of there to get around this. Again, wrong measurements in our fault. But I'm going to be going, I'm in the window, all the way up there, all the way up there, and all the way there, and then all of this will be painted green. The wall won't be, sorry, just the moulding around the wall. So yeah, this is how we're doing with this paneling. Honestly, it would be better if we'd just bought single panels because of the shape of the walls, because trying to do four, it just, yeah, but. Okay, so I just had to rip this off the wall because I didn't realise, but obviously because I've taken that bit out, it then didn't join up here. So I had to take this off the wall so I could take an extra bit out. And exactly the same over there. But I think it kind of It's working now. And then these pieces were too short, so I had to do a butt joint. that piece is too short, so I've done a butt joint, and that piece is short, so I've done a butt joint. That's done. So what we're gonna do is paint this colour green, which is Lick Green 02, and I'm gonna go all the way up with the green on this moulding like that, and the windowsill. So be kind of like colour drenched, but the wall will still be white. So next thing to sort out is under here. I just can't be bothered, but it's got to be done. Okay, so I've just done that now. Created a few individual ones. Now I've got the flash on them. I can see like the white bits behind. But I think that's fine because I'm going to paint it all green anyway. Because the reason I left little gaps is because I wanted it to mimic this original groove. So I think what I can do, I can fill the gaps with cork, and that should be fine. But I need something to cover up there and there. I think the dado is just too big. A small, thin, flimsy strip of MDF I think would work. So I might have to go to B&Q and just find something. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's all looking now. At least it's just all done down there. It's just not straight. But maybe once it's painted, it might look all right, because it's like dark in that corner, but I got a feeling it's not going to look all right. Okay, it's now time for us to prime everything. So I'm going to get cracking on with that because it's kind of a boring task. I'm excited to see the green go on around here. I think I'm going to cork after priming. Okay, so this is how we're looking with the just the first coat. It's not too bad, but obviously desperately needs a second coat. So I'm going to get cracking with that, and then I can't wait to rip this off and see how it's all looking. And then Alex is going to buy himself some prints and maybe a shelf to go here, which will be nice to see. And obviously we need a lampshade. But yeah, all for the weekend. How cute is this light shade? I found it in B&M for £10. I mean, that is a steal. So I'm going to put that up now. Okay, so this morning we're going to be putting some shelves up here to try and give some interior. So I think we found the studs. I've got the stud finder here on the metal mode, and as you can see, we found the stud here, and we found the other stud. Oh, where's the other stud? Where's it gone? Oh, just a bit to the side there. Okay, so we've cut this wood. It was 15 quid for this piece of wood from B&Q, so a lot cheaper than buying shelving. So what we're going to do, we've got these hidden floating shelf brackets, which we're going to screw onto the wall first. So because this is a stud wall, we're going to screw like one screw into the stud, like that, and then the other one in here like that. And then we're gonna fix the second hole. So one hole will be into the stud and one will be going into the insulation. Then we're gonna use these in the second one. So it's got a bit more like hold on it. And then once we know where the brackets are going to be, that's when we're going to screw the holes, sorry, not screw, drill the holes in the shelf so that they line up exactly with where they can go into the wood on this wall. I hope that makes sense, but that's what we're gonna do. What's that look like?
Yeah.
What about the height? Is that height okay? Okay, so we finally got these in the right studs, and what we've done is we've basically put the wood up against, that's not the right way around. We put the wood up against the wall, up against the brackets, sorry, and basically just marked out where they sit. So now we're going to drill some holes in here to get them aligned and hope that it works. Okay, so we're going to use a 12mm bit to do the holes, and then it should be the right circumference to get the shelves on the wall. Why is it so hard putting shelves up? But after a bit of a headache, we finally have one of them up. And hopefully the second one in no time. Okay, so we've managed to get them somewhat level. They're on the wall, that's all that matters. And I've just tried to fill this in with a bit of cork because I can't be bothered getting the filler out. Okay, so this is how the two shelves were looking with the lampshade and the panelling. We needed to get a last couple of bits, so we headed over to HomeSense to go and grab these. And it was time to style the room and put everything together and see how it all looks. Okay guys, so this is how the office / study is looking now. We've still got a few little bits left to do. So Alex bought a print and we just need to find the right frame for it to go in, and it's going to go next to the shelves. We also need to just get some blinds and just finish off the window where we need to buy some UPVC to finish it off. But other than that, this is pretty much complete, and I think Alex will get a new desk and some new drawers in the future. But for now, this is how it is looking. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did we make the best use of this space, or could we have done something else? I would love to hear your feedback. I have also used my brand new drone in the reveal video, so watch till the end to see me try and maneuver our new drone. But yeah, let me know what you think. I think it's much cozier than it was, so yeah, we're pretty happy. so much for watching. Like I asked earlier, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts. And I will see you in next week's video. Bye now.